Hey guys, my name is Anne. Today's topic is copy photo from cell phone to computers. And we need your cell phone and cell phone cable. First, connecting your cell phone and computer. After connecting, you will see this thing on your cell phone, and you should choose transfer files. Okay, after choosing, we go back to computer. Double click at this PC to open it. And click this PC. And choose your cell phone. For example, my phone is Xperia XZ1, so I double click at it. Double click at internal shared storage. This one. And you will find a folder named DCIM. Double click at it, or you can search it directly. Type DCIM in the upper right corner and press enter key. You will find it and double click at it. There are many folders, and choose one of them. I decide to choose 100 media because there are many photos in it. Okay, double click at it. And drag the photo you like to a folder. If you don't want to use drag, you can try another way. Click the right button at the photo and choose copy, and click the right button at the folder you added on desktop and choose paste. That's right. And if you want to copy other photos in other folders, click the left arrow to go back to previous page. And that's all set. See you.